Discourage, discourage, discourage. Insurrectionism. Discourage are six principles. There are six principles for direct investment into the kingdom, eternal kingdom of God. These are six principles in Historicanism for direct investment into eternal kingdom of God. These are much more important because we are not living this world permanently. We are not here permanently or eternal residence is in heaven. Eternity. Then we must have our investment to invest to yes investment where will be forever and ever, and this richness, resources, or time, all things we master, because this world is temporary, just as passing. We are here temporary, we're living in this world. Then we have to invest into eternal kingdom of God, eternal kingdom of God. Then it is very much important to understand that yes, we must invest. Then in this encourage six principles are the principles for direct investment into eternal kingdom of God. Number one, living by the five universal ethical pillars of Soric: the love, the truth, the unity, the laws, and the human rights. By living according to these pillars, that's investment. Number two, support the poor people. That's one of investment into eternal kingdom of God. To support the very poor people, miserable people. To support the poor people. To help the need people. There are people who need. The need people. This is their principles. Number three, to help the need people. To do good to all people. To do good in everything, wherever or how you to do good in everything, to bring others to Jesus Christ. These are six principles. There are six principles for eternal investment, just for investment into eternal kingdom of God. Since we are not permanent here, since our permanent eternal residence, eternal home is in heaven and eternal, we must invest directly into eternal kingdom of God through living by 5 universal earthly pillars of surrender, love, truth, law, and human rights, supporting to support the poor people, to help the need people. They are around here, they are all over in this world. This is much more important and it is much essential because it's the investment to invest into eternal kingdom of God. Then he help all people in need, do good to everyone, to everybody. Then do good in everything and bring others to Jesus Christ. That's the investment. Do the invest wherever invest into the kingdom of God, where we will be forever and ever. Yeah, that is what I want everyone to understand, and this is applicable for everyone because this is the investment into the kingdom of God, eternal kingdom of God. Then every action, every work you do it good, because number 4, do good to all people, and number 5, do good in everything. These their courage principles 6, the courage principles 6 principles for direct eternal investment into the kingdom of God. May God bless you. May God bless you.